I'm Donna Hastings. I've been the owner of Bead All About It for 16 years, since 2005 here in Thornbrook. I love the creativity that I see in people. I offer beads, bindings, more beads, natural gemstones, handmade beads, just about every kind of bead you can imagine. Recently, I have noticed that I'm getting a lot of repair business. People are staying home, they're going through their old jewelry and thinking, oh, maybe I can repurpose this, or sometimes I can fix it with a simple little tweak. So I've noticed a big uptick in the repair business. Well, I would recommend Malgazartas. It's a beautiful shop. They have wood products, jewelry, woven products, soaps. It's a lovely place. I'm just now taking on a line of handmade purses that are absolutely exquisite, and they should be here any day now. They're made by a local lady. Well, I hope to see everybody soon. Come on in, see what we have to offer.